What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. You guys can see we got a laundry room sink that's backing up. We're in a townhouse. You can see bits of food and stuff like that. So their kitchen line right there also connects with the laundry vent, and they all tie in down there at the bottom. You can see they got a nice clean out there, nice below the sink. Always needs to be above the sink. That's what I think. That's why that drain was actually cut before and put a rubber coupling on, how it should be. So we are going to snake this out. If I can find a good spot to put this. That might work. Grab our 5/16 nut driver bit. Like to put the coupling up there and then pull it over just a bit to hold it kind of in place. We're actually going to use our bucket to hold the snake, get a better, don't gotta kill the wrist then. So I am using the Milwaukee, this is the M12 drain snake. It does have a 5/16 cable with bulb head. I put a bend on it so that it cleans more of the pipe. Here we go. So typically the problem will be, before we start, typically the problem will be right at the floor level where everything ties in, or at the 90. Sometimes it is past that, but that's typically where it is. So the problem was a little bit further, but you guys are going to be able to see it go down. And I'm going to pull it out in the meantime, and also while spinning. You guys can hear it draining a lot better now. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a whirlpool. Let's plug it up and fill it up. I'm going to snake it once more, going in and out, just to make sure we get everything clear. So nothing really came back. Maybe a little bit of lint. But we know it's going to be grease buildup in there. So we're just going to tighten that coupling back up. So, let you guys in on a little information, not information, but just a little, I don't know, tip that I know. With these sinks, if the drain is right at the back, I've tried creating a never-ending whirlpool video. Didn't work out. It would have worked, but not the way I wanted. But when the drain is at the back, if this sink is sloped down a bit or not pushed, like raised up high in the front, it will not give you a good whirlpool. Might be creating something. So like, if you were to raise this up, you would definitely get a better one. You can see it kind of wants to make one. Like everything's definitely draining good, but if this was sloped up where it basically kind of creates that drain more in the center, you get a good whirlpool. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogna.